California state troopers on site to taunt, to butcher my children. These were stolen, what I made yesterday of January 2020, so you ring the phones off the devil California troopers' hooks, home phones, cell phones, landlines, office phones. You walk up to them in person, in uniform. You ask about me, Melton, John Melton Brady, asking the world to check the lifelines for a dozen years, only getting one, about their active part in promoting a pandemic. Have your audio maker going in your pocket as you ask that trooper. Compromising the security of America, the California trooper, especially the Catholic ones. You get them screaming out, ask them on every corner, why are you threatening my family with your hijacking of my lifelines?